This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Realme Note 50 is updated, because features change with Realme UI updates. Next, open Settings and go to Convenience Tools, then Floating Window, toggle it on. This grants the system the ability to create resizable overlays. Make sure you allow display over other apps and accessibility when prompted, since floating windows need those permissions to appear above other content. Once done, try the shortcut gesture so you know where to invoke the feature immediately. Now you learn how to open and manage a floating window. From recent apps, tap the app icon and choose Floating Window to create a small overlay that stays above other apps. You can drag any corner to resize for reading or quick replies, and pinch to change proportions for multitasking. If you enabled gesture shortcuts, use the swipe corner or three-finger swipe to summon a floating instance instantly. This speeds up switching. Make sure to position it where it won't block critical UI elements. Finish by mastering controls and a key troubleshooting tip. To close a float, tap the X or drag it to the bottom. To minimize, use the small home-like button on the overlay. From the float toolbar, you can lock its size, split the screen, or convert it to full screen for deeper work. If a floating window won't appear, check that permissions are granted. Battery optimization isn't restricting the app, and that recent apps options allow floating windows. Adjust those and retry immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.